In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Microsoft Outlook calendar color. Changing a calendar's color is a simple way to make your schedule easier to scan, especially if you manage multiple calendars for work, personal plans, or shared events. Let's walk through it clearly from start to finish. First, open your web browser and go to Google. This is a quick way to get to the right place without typing a long address. In the search box, type Outlook. You're looking for the official Microsoft Outlook website in the search results. Click the official Outlook link to open it. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and sign in with your Microsoft account so you can access your calendar. Once Outlook opens, look to the left sidebar and click Calendar. This switches you from Mail to Calendar view. If the sidebar looks collapsed, hover your mouse or click the icons to reveal the labels. You should now see your calendar grid and a panel on the left listing your calendars. Next, look for the section labeled My Calendars. Click it to expand the list if it isn't already open. This list includes your primary calendar and any additional calendars you've created or added. Pick the specific calendar you want to recolor so that all its events stand out from the others. Now right-click the calendar name you want to change. On a touch device, a long press works like a right-click. A context menu will appear with several options related to that calendar. Hover your cursor over color in that menu. This reveals the available color choices. You'll see a palette of swatches designed to work well with Outlook's interface and themes. Finally, click the color you want. The change applies instantly, and all events on that calendar will update to the new color in your view. This helps you quickly separate, for example, personal plans from team events at a glance. A few tips. This setting affects your view only and doesn't force other people to see the same color. If you use categories inside events, those colors are separate from the calendar color. For the best readability, choose a color with strong contrast against your theme, especially if you use dark mode. And if you change your mind later, just repeat these steps and pick a different color. That's it. You went to Google, searched for Outlook, opened the official site, clicked Calendar, expanded My Calendars, right-clicked your calendar, hovered over color, and chose your new color. Enjoy a cleaner, more organized calendar view.